Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. Children, today we will talk about our daily life routine. Yes, in your Oxford Advantage Little Champs All About Me book, there is a class work on page number 47. But before going to that, we will discuss our daily life routine. Now, children, can you tell me every day, early morning, what are the things we do first? What we do first, we wake up early in the morning. हम सुबह सबसे पहले नींद से उठते हैं, right? After a sweet night sleep, we wake up at early morning, right? When the sun rises. Then we go to washroom and we wash our face, brush our teeth, and then we take bath. And after bathing, what you do? You take your dress for school and get ready for school, right? But before this online class, before this corona, we used to go to school, off to school by bus, by car, by two-wheeler. But nowadays we are not going to school. So every day morning after waking up, after brushing our teeth and taking bath, we get ready for our online classes, right? We get ready and we meet our teacher virtually. We meet our friends virtually, right? Every day you attend online classes. So from morning, first we wake up, then we brush our teeth, we get fresh up, and then we take bath, we get ready for our online classes. Children, now it is our daily routine, right? We are not going to school. So after online classes, what we do? We have had lunch with our family. Now, before corona, most of the time mama papa was in office. You may be having your lunch with your grandparents. But now everyone is working from home. So you get your mama, papa, every family member lunchtime also, isn't it? Yes. So we have our lunch with our family. After that, you can take rest, and in the evening, previously we used to go to park to play, right? But nowadays we can't go. So but we have our family time, right? As papa is there, so papa sometimes play with you, mama is making some nice food, nice snacks, evening snacks, then storytelling. So many things we are doing nowadays. We are getting so much family time. Yes, we are missing our park time, our playing time. Outdoor playing is not possible because we can't go outside and we can't mingle up with other people, right children? So for this period, this evening time is our family time. After that, what do? We go for our studies. Yes, पढ़ाई तो करनी होती है. Ma'am is teaching something new every day. We have to learn, we have to learn how to read, we have to learn how to write. So you do your prep, study, it is your study time, and after study time, yes, this is family dinner time, right? And as soon as you finish your dinner, what you should do? You should brush your teeth and go to bed. Yes, children always go to bed on time, because early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. मतलब जो जल्दी सोने जाते हैं और सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं, वो बहुत ही हेल्दी होते हैं, वाइज होते हैं, उसके पास बहुत इंटेलिजेंस होते हैं और उसको कोई भी बीमारी टच नहीं करती है. You know why? When we wake up early in the morning, we are feeling fresh. और early morning अगर हम थोड़ा exercise कर ले, we will be more healthier. एंड सिमिलरली अर्ली टू बेड, अगर हम टाइम पे खाना खा के बिना लेट के सो जाए, सो ऑल फूड विल गेट इनफ टाइम टू डाइजेस्ट, और डाइजेस्ट होता है देन वी विल गेट द प्रॉपर बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ऑल फूड. So children, you have seen that our daily life now has changed a little bit, right? Waking up, taking bath, we are doing earlier also. Getting ready, doing earlier also. But nowadays, we are not going to school. We are not going to school by bus, by car, by two-wheeler. We are taking online classes. And in the lunch time we are getting a full family, as everyone is working from home, mama, papa, uncle, auntie, everyone. Then evening, yes, we are missing our playing time. We are not able to go outside and play outdoor games, but we have our family time, those who are not getting earlier. Now study is there, you have to study. Dinner time with family is there, and last we go to bed. This is our daily routine, right? Now in your book what they did, you know children, they have given some pictures, not all pictures of our daily routine. They say they have given only 6 pictures. So you have to arrange them by putting number, means number the picture in the order that you do them. आप जो काम करते हो वो काम के हिसाब से आपको नंबरिंग करना है. सो एवरीवन टेक योर पेंसिल, आई विल टेक माय ब्रश. 1 minute. Okay, among this picture, first will be waking up at early morning. So first picture is number 1. Children, write 1 within the box. As ma'am is using virtual brush, so ma'am का थोड़ा बाहर आ रहा है, and it's not, ma'am has not written properly also. 1 is standing line, right? Next, what we do after waking up, we go to washroom, right? Fresh होने के लिए, brush करने के लिए, then we take bath and we take our uniform. Or now you are not wearing uniform, you are taking a proper dress, formal dress to attend the class, and you go to washroom to change your dress, right? After that, see, after getting ready for school, you attend online classes, then you have your lunch, then you have family time, then you have study time. These pictures are not there. So directly there are 2 pictures, one is family time, dinner time, and one night sleeping time. So what we do first, पहले हम खाना खाते हैं या पहले सो जाते हैं? पहले हम खाना खाते हैं. So this is 5 and this is 6. Understood? Children, ma'am has shown you all slides of our daily routine, but here all slides are not there. Few are there, only 6. So you have to arrange them according to that. First waking up, then brushing your teeth, third taking your clothes, fourth getting ready for school. Uske baad they have directly gone for the dinner, and then go to bed, sleeping time. So according to that we have given number, right? Now children, one thing again and again I am telling you, don't write the way ma'am has written. Ma'am is using virtual brush, that's why it is like that. You have to write the number within the box. आपको box के अंदर number लिखना है, properly लिखना है. Okay? Now children, get ready, start your work, and before starting write the date. Until then, bye, take care.